Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making vegetarian pie. So please do sit tight and watch this video till the end, as you are going to be liking what you'll be seeing today. This pie, as you can see on the screen, is super nourishing and easy to prepare. So let's start by making the fillings. Dice your potato and carrot and steam it for 2 minutes. This is vegetarian beef. It looks like beef, but this is not beef. It is made with soya beans and coconut. This is what we are going to be using. So right now, you heat some oil in a pan and add in your diced onions and pepper. Allow that to fry for a few minutes. Then pour in the vegetarian beef and then stir and fry for like 3 to 5 minutes. Add some seasoning and salt and allow to fry for a few minutes. After like 2 minutes, pour in the vegetables, that is the steamed carrots and potato, and mix that together thoroughly. Now we are going to mix 2 tablespoons of flour in water. Mix it very well until dissolved. Then pour it in. This will help to bind the fillings together. Add some parsley, but this is optional. You can decide not to use it. Now turn off the heat and keep it aside for later use. Now let's make the dough and pie proper. Please keep watching, do not go away. So guys, this is what we have. You can see how beautiful and delicious that looks. I hope you're going to try this. Your family members and loved ones are going to like it. Please do try it and let us know in the comment section what you think about it. In case you have any question, please drop that in the comment section. And if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again everyone for tuning in today. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you again in my next one, and please remember to like and share this video. Thank you everyone. Bye.